Welcome to the world of superfoods. Get ready to meet your new health heroes. Small but mighty, these natural powerhouses pack a serious punch. Number 3. The Ginger Ninja. This spicy root sneaks up on inflammation and takes it down. It's also great for settling upset stomachs. Add a bit to your stir-fry or brew it in hot water for a soothing tea. Number 2. The Blueberry Bruiser. Don't let its small size fool you. This berry is loaded with antioxidants that knock out free radicals like a champ. Toss a handful into your oatmeal or snack on them raw for a delicious defense against illness. Number 1. The Mighty Kiwi. This fuzzy little powerhouse is bursting with vitamin C, even more than an orange. It's like a natural shield, helping your body fight off invaders. Slice it up in your morning yogurt or blend it into a smoothie for a tasty immune boost. And there you have it, your new squad of superfoods. Stay strong, stay energized, and keep fueling your body the superfood way.